leave just 2 Forex trades, and you're going to add one more today, but not on Forex, but on gold. Okay, that's another class of asset that you didn't trade yet, but I want you to take advantage of that because it's skyrocketing, and it's a good opportunity for you to possibly buy that a little bit for yourself as well. So click on the market at the bottom, market. Okay, and then I would like you to click where it says add new asset to market. Can you do that? Blue plus button.
Add new
click on
asset
that.
to market. Yeah. Press
Yeah,
the blue.
click on that. Yes. Yeah, click on that. Blue. Yeah. And then I want you to select CFD's commodities, the first one. CFD's commodities.
Yes, click.
Okay, yeah. And then I want you to go down, scroll down until you're going to see XAUUSD. XAUUSD. Scroll down. Okay, here we go. XAUUSD, and next to it, it says gold. Can you just touch that with your finger, please? Okay, just so that you're going to select it. XAUUSD. Yeah, that's the symbol of gold. Yeah, and it says, yeah, okay, wonderful. So you selected that to your market. Click on market now at the bottom. Click on market now, and I want you now to scroll your page to the bottom. Scroll that to the bottom. At the bottom, you're going to see gold now. Okay, scroll down, down, down to the bottom. Okay, yeah, to the last one. Here we go. Here's the gold. Click on gold now. Click on gold.
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 XAUUSD.
That's the one. You see it says gold. Yeah, wonderful. So on your gold, you see gold is on a huge rise. In fact, it's just like skyrocketing. You see a huge upward trend going there, right?
Right. Okay.
Okay. Well, listen, gold is a great potential, but look at the look below the sell price. It says margin required. You see that? Margin required. Yeah. Okay. How much is that? Margin required.
85.22.
So let me tell you something. You see, in order for you to be able to buy 1 troy ounce of gold, you need $85. That's obviously the minimum you need for 1 troy ounce, $85. You understand?
Okay.
You cannot buy many, but you can afford yourself at least one, Robert. You understand?
Okay.
At least one. So I told you, you can trade up to $200. Remember, now with your account, you can trade up to 200. You now have $124 in your margin, as you can see with your 2 trades on Forex, right? You see that on your margin, 122.
Yeah.
So if you take another trade on gold, it's another $80. So that will bring you to your margin to about $200, 210, give or take. So that will be precisely like we discussed. So would you like to do that?
Yes, please.
You may want to click on the buy option. Okay, click on the buy. And then confirm your trade.
Okay.
Okay, confirm your trade. Yes, click on that.